guys, welcome back. Let me pray this is gonna stay stable and you're not gonna fall anytime soon. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in the bathroom of my house. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. So I thought, what a better way to come back into this channel with a vlog, taking you along with me on my day today, which is a little bit more exciting of a day rather than my usual wake up, eat breakfast, go to the gym, leave the gym, go to work, leave the work, go home type of day that I have 5 days a week at least. What a boring life. I'm saying that and I catch myself thinking that's what every single person you religiously watch for the past few years think about themselves. And here they are having millions of followers and here you are being one of them. Well, not that I have a million of followers. I'm very grateful though for who I have. And if you're watching this and you want to subscribe, go ahead. I would be so grateful if you become a part of the channel. I am back on my grind. I'm so proud to say that. I did take a little while to settle, I have to say. But here we are. Better later than ever. And also it did taught me a lesson. Things will not always happen your way and in your time. Sometimes they will, and that will be great because there's no need to be patient and give yourself time, especially when you're someone that is not very good with it. I'm very guilty of it, but some other times you might have to leave things take their own way and go their own flow. Look at that. After years and years of saying I do want a barista coffee machine, that was the first thing I ever wanted to get for my own place. I just got a barista coffee machine, and is this probably one of the best investments I've made in ages? Yes, 100%. If you're someone that likes coffee like I do, if you're someone that will drink at least 1 or 2 coffees a day, at least, and it's not anymore in a position to get it for free. For example, on my previous job, I was getting a lot of coffee for free. One of the benefits. Go and get a barista coffee machine. If you have the budget, if you can afford it, if in any way, shape or form, you can actually purchase one, go ahead. I spent all of that time thinking, it's too expensive, I don't know if I can afford it, I'm not sure if I should do it, maybe next month. And then the month came. And I spent almost the same amount of money that I could spend to buy a barista coffee machine at home. I got grounded coffee from Gales because for me Gales coffee is my favorite. So what I would suggest is find your favorite coffee place or coffee brand and see if they sell grounded coffee. And if they do, go and buy for them, because what that actually does for me is that I make, not to flex it, but I make the exact coffee, the exact taste that Gales makes for me. 1/10 of the price that I would pay for a coffee at Gales. Yes?
Where are you?
I'm vlogging. Wanna say hi? I definitely don't put the hat because it's so sunny outside. It's actually very cold considering the fact that it's June. But I want to give the vibe of don't speak to me, don't annoy me, don't. Because guys, let me tell you what happened yesterday at the gym. I was furious when I realized I'm at the gym yesterday. I'm going to use a cable. Mind the fact, I always check if someone is there for me, like if there's even a tiny bit that indicates, that implies that someone was there before me, like whatever. So I make sure no one is there before me. There's a guy that walks towards me and goes, you can go and use this one. Mind the fact, I have my headphones on, I'm blasting music, I don't really understand exactly what he's saying. I'm like, what? And he goes, go and use this one. And he was pointing out to another cable machine. I'm looking at the machine, it has nothing. Like, it's clearly he was not there before me. Don't use this one, go use the other one. With the attitude of, you kids go play somewhere else and don't annoy the adults. And at the moment, I didn't really realize where he was coming from. I was so confused as to why I need to leave this cable to go to find another. I was so confused and almost frozen in a way, so I just walked away, took my things and walked away. And then the moment I reached the next cable, I was so mad at myself. I was thinking, no, go back and tell him, why don't you go somewhere else? I was so mad at myself for not saying anything. I get so intimidated sometimes. And he wasn't even an intimidating guy. He looks like my toe. The audacity. It took me a minute to understand the level of stupidity of what I was listening to. I look back. He was not even there.
Niente esplorare.
And let me tell you why I decided to vlog today. I am now getting ready for a photo shoot and I feel like I'm 15 years old because, fun fact, when I was 15 years old I used to organize my own photo shoots and I would get dressed, get ready, grab a friend, go in a location and take photos. Basically, I am working with a girl, her name is Irina and she's a photographer. So she's doing what I'm doing as a part-time job. Last week I got a message from her and she was asking if I could help her with a photo shoot and it would be outside, it would take about an hour and I said yeah. Why not? She sent me the inspo as well, therefore I have this outfit on, which I'm going to show you in a second. I'm so happy, it feels so nice. So yeah, up until half an hour ago we thought we're going to cancel. We're not cancelling, we're actually doing it and hopefully it's not going to rain because I had to redo my hair. I'm wearing this top from H&M that has a v-neck and then on top of it I wore that, is it called Zillet? It's from Zara. I love it. I absolutely love it. And then I'm wearing these pants from Zara as well. When I was expecting her to send me the mood board, I was thinking, God, hopefully it's gonna be something that I could actually have to start with. But once she sent the photos, I was like, okay, half of my closet is that, the other half is workout clothes, so we're fine. My boyfriend is supposed to come as well to support me and then also vlog a bit of behind the scenes. We're here at the Aviva Studios and I'm just waiting for Irina now. We have the most the most supportive boyfriend ever. I keep repeating, how do I feel like I'm back 15 years old? In my bedroom, getting ready, choosing my little outfit and going to get photos with my friends.
pile.